Saturday, you do not have classes, is it? Or usually you don't have classes on Saturday?
Or uncle, school, no uncle, I don't have classes on Saturday.
Okay, we can try to then finish Saturday morning itself, the class tuition.
Sure.
Then both of us can be free for the evening.
Okay.
Because usually Saturday evening there's some program, something like that. We can do that. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Are you able to see the
explain the fourth sum?
Yeah, you've done the answer is correct, but the way the steps you've gone about is not correct. Okay. It's very funny, you may say. The fourth sum, separately you have calculated the determinant for A, separately for B. But actually, it may not be, multiplication may not be commutative. In this case, minus 31 is the right answer. But how you should actually do it is, let us see, no? To solve for the 9th standard maths class. AB is 3 minus 1, 2, 1. Okay. That is A. And B is 3, 0,
1
minus 2. 4 or 1? 1 minus 2. Now, first you should do A into B. Okay. A into B is equal to 3 into 3.
Okay.
Plus minus 1 into minus 2. That's one thing. Then 3 into 0. Sorry. 3 into 3 minus 1 into 1. This and this. Minus 1 into 1. Then you know how to multiply, right? Yeah. Then 3 into 3, 0 plus minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2. Then this one, 2 into 3 plus 1 into 1. Then last one is 2 into 0 plus 1 into minus 2. Okay, you get this matrix. Then you say 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. Then 3 into 0 is 0. Minus into minus plus. It is 6 plus 1. This is 0 minus 2. Okay, that is equal to 9 minus 1 is 8. 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7 minus 2. This is the AB. Okay, now you are supposed to find the determinant of AB. Okay. Supposed to find the determinant of AB. 8 into minus 2 minus 7 into 2. Okay. 8 into minus 2 is minus 16 minus 14, right? That is equal to minus 30. Answer correct?
Minus 30 now.
Minus 30 the answer correct. Minus 30. So you got the right answer, but the steps are wrong. See, maths is about the logical reasoning, step by step logical reasoning. That's maths. That must make sense. Okay. By freak of coincidence, AB and A delta into C. There is no formula that A determinant into B determinant is equal to AB determinant. In the மாதிரி எங்கேயும் போடல. But you assume that in order to do that. But you should not assume that. Instead, you should find the matrix AB and then find the determinant of AB matrix in the matrix.
Okay.
I'm posting this. Otherwise, the other question is right.
Okay.
I'm putting this on WhatsApp. Okay, let's go back to the fifth sum now. 1, 2, 3, 4 we did. I'll do 5 and 7 I will do. Or 5 and 8 I will do. 6 and 7 you do for homework. Huh?
Okay.
I do 5 now. Huh?
Okay.
Solve 7, 4, 11, minus 3, 5x minus x 3, 1 equal to 0. It was very simple, like you said. 7 into 5x 3, 1 minus 4 into minus 3x minus x 3. Sorry, minus x 1. Okay, this and this go off. Minus 3x minus x 1. And then plus 11 into minus 3, 5 minus x 3. Okay. 7 into 5 minus 3x. So 5 minus 3x that way. Minus 4 into minus 3 minus into minus x is equal to plus x squared. Okay, x squared minus x squared minus of minus x squared plus x squared. Plus 11 into minus 3 into minus 3 minus 9 and minus 5x minus of minus 5 is equal to plus 5x. Okay. So solve that is equal to 0. So that means 35 minus 15x plus 12 minus 3 into minus 4 plus x squared plus minus 99 plus 55x equal to 0. Okay. This is x squared. So x squared then plus 55x minus 50x, that is plus 40x. Okay, then 35 plus 12 is 47. 99 minus 47 is 252. Okay, minus 52 is equal to 0. This is what you have to do. Minus 15x plus x squared. Everything is correct, no? No. 7 into 3 is 21x. 21x. So 55 minus 21. 34x. This is 34x. All right. Yeah. So x squared plus 34x minus 52 is equal to 0. How can we do that? 3 into 13, 4 into 13. But, let me check with my notebook. There's something wrong here, right? No, this is not. This is 4x squared. minus 4 into plus x squared is equal to minus 4x squared. So minus 4x squared plus 34x minus 52. Okay. Then divided by 2, you will get minus 2x squared plus 17x minus 26 equal to 0. Change all the signs. 2x squared minus 17x plus 26 equal to 0. Now you solve for x. Okay. 2 into 26 is equal to 52. So that means 13 into 4 is equal to 52. Okay, so what you can do, 2x squared minus 4x minus 13x plus 26.
Uncle, how's it 2 into 26, uncle?
Huh?
அது எப்படி வருது 2 into 26?
So 2 into 26.
How is that? Okay.
2 into 26 is equal to 52.
But how are you multiplying that, uncle?
That
அது
is,
புரியல.
that is 8th standard syllabus, not 11th standard. How to do that is 8th standard syllabus. You didn't learn 8th standard.
மறந்துட்டேன். Can you please remind?
You should have learned it in 8th standard, how to do equations, simple linear quadratic equations. Solving quadratic equations is 8th standard syllabus. Go check your 8th standard text, how to solve a quadratic equation. Okay, in that what you will do, this into this. Okay, you will get one quantity. Okay, then you have to see how to split the middle term in such a way that you get the same
Okay,
thing.
yeah, I remember.
Now, 2x is you can remove out. 2x, if you remove out, x is remaining. And then minus 2. Okay, minus 2 into 2x is equal to minus 4x. Again,
Okay.
13 you remove. X minus 2. Minus 13 into minus 2 is equal to plus 26. Minus 13 into x is equal to minus 13x. So again that becomes 2x minus 13 into x minus 2. Remember this and this should become one factor, 2x minus 13 and into x minus 2. Okay. That means x equal to 13 by 2 or x equal to 2. This is equal to 0, right? So x minus 2 equal to 0 means x equal to 2. Same way, 2x minus 13 equal to 0 means x equal to 13 by 2. So x is equal to 13 by 2 or
what, uncle?
I'm not able to get that thing. So x is equal to 13 by 2 or x equal to 2. That is the answer. You are able to get the steps, especially solving quadratic equations. You had a doubt on that, you forgot that. So you have to do that. So mathematics, if you don't remember the previous year's work, if it is not internalized inside you, you cannot do the next year's work. That's a problem. Thank God you remembered. You put this on WhatsApp or you want to take it down?
Put it on WhatsApp, uncle.
You want to take it down?
If I take it down, it will be very long. No, that's a put it on WhatsApp, uncle. Later, I'll take it down.
Okay. Let's now do sum number 8. What is sum number 8?
Sum number 8 is
prove that.
Minus a square ab ac ab.
We should do 7 and 6 and come. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'll rub this off. Okay. I left my pen. Okay, let us start the 8th sum.
Okay.
Eighth sum says, prove that minus a square ab ac minus b square bc ac bc minus c square. Okay. Now what is telling that must be equal to
4a square b square c square.
c square. This is RHS. This is LHS. Okay. Now what we are going to do? Just expand. Okay. Minus a squared into minus b squared bc bc minus c squared minus ab into this and this will go off ab bc ac minus c squared, correct? Then plus ac into this and this will go off. That means ab minus b squared ac bc. Okay. Now minus a squared into minus b squared into minus c squared is equal to b squared c squared. Okay. This way minus again b squared c squared. So either cut item 0 a squared into 0 minus 0. Okay, minus ab into minus c squared is equal to minus ab c squared.
Okay.
அப்புறம் இது வந்து abc squared minus abc squared.
Okay.
இது வந்து plus ac into ab into bc is equal to ab squared c plus ab squared c. Okay. Now இது 0 ஆயிடுச்சு, அதை கொடுத்துடலாம், இதை எடுத்துக்கலாம். Is equal to minus ab into 2ab c squared. Okay. Plus ac into 2ab squared c. So that is equal to 2 what is called 2 வெளியே எடுத்துக்குவோம் a into a
uncle
square.
Uncle, shouldn't be minus ab minus 2abc square?
Correct pa. Very good, very good. Correct. Minus 2 theta in a into a squared. B into b squared. அப்புறம் already c squared is there. இது முடிஞ்சிச்சு, இது இங்க வந்துச்சு. சாரி, இது வந்து அங்க வந்துச்சு. இது வந்து எங்க வருது? Plus 2a into a is a squared.
b squared c squared. 0 தான வருது?
0 தான் வருது இல்லையா? So somewhere minus ab squared sorry
uncle, you missed the a square in the beginning.
The minus into minus. Okay, This is minus into minus, so that becomes plus.
Okay.
So that is equal to 4a squared b squared c squared, which is equal to right hand side.
Okay.
Want to take this down or?
No, uncle, I understood this properly.
Understood it. Okay, very good. Let us
Just but send a screenshot for emergency.
Yeah, I'll put the screenshot. You save all the screenshots in one folder. Don't waste it. Don't
how to do
delete
the
it.
Okay. How to do the previous sum, uncle? I'm not thorough with it.
You do it for homework and come. Which previous sum?
Okay.
7 and 6. Yeah. 7 and 6. You do that too for homework and come.
Okay.
Okay, let us move on to inverse of a matrix. That is a very interesting thing. Okay, first thing, in order to find an inverse is, you must first, matrix will have an inverse only if it is a singular matrix. Non-singular matrix will not have inverse. Okay. What is singular matrix? What is non-singular matrix? Can you tell me?
One value, uncle.
If the determinant is 0, it is a singular matrix.
Okay.
If the determinant is having some other value, either negative or positive value, it is not 0, then it is a non-singular matrix.
Okay.
Non-singular matrix, you can have inverse for that matrix. Okay. But singular matrix, if the determinant is 0, then you cannot get any inverse. So first thing you should check when they ask you find the inverse of a matrix is, don't go immediately to calculate minor, cofactor, adjoint, all of that. First step you should take is find out if it is determinant is 0 or determinant is non-zero. Okay. Okay. Now show that 1, 2, 2, 4 is a singular matrix. It's very simple. 1 into 4 minus 2 into 2, 4 minus 4 is 0. So it is singular.
Understood.
Very easy concept of singularity. Now show that this one, example 1.1, it is non-singular. 8 into 3?
24.
2 into 4?
8.
So 24 minus 8 is 16. So 16 is not 0. So it is a non-singular matrix. This will have an inverse. This will not have the inverse. Okay, like that. Okay, singular matrix you found out. Now he's telling one more thing which can be very useful at some point. If both A and B are non-singular matrices of the same order, suppose A is 3 by 3 matrix, B is also 3 by 3 matrix, then both are non-singular, which means both separately have inverse. A inverse is there, B minus 1 is also there. Okay. Then AB and BA are also non-singular matrices of the same order. They are also 3 by 3 matrices and they are also non-singular. AB also will have inverse, BA also will have inverse. Okay, that is the idea. So you should remember that. It may come in very helpful at some point. Let us see at which point it is coming in. Adjoint of a matrix. Now we are coming to the step which is previous to the inverse, finding inverse. First thing you should find all the minors, then you should find all the cofactors, then you should find the transpose of the cofactor matrix. You know what is transpose, right?
Transpose, what is transpose? The
transpose you forgot. See, transpose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a matrix. Okay. A transpose is what? All the rows will become columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the transpose. Okay. Now, adjoint is not A transpose. Adjoint is the transpose of the cofactor matrix. Okay, you should understand this thing. Cofactor matrix is A of ij, correct? இதனுடைய transpose அதுதான் வந்து adjoint. So first என்ன பண்ணணும், எல்லாத்துக்கும் மைனஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் எல்லாத்துக்கும் கோஃபேக்டர் கண்டுபிடிச்சு கோஃபேக்டர் மேட்ரிக்ஸை ஃபுல்லா ஃபில் பண்ணோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணோம், கோஃபேக்டர் மேட்ரிக்ஸ் உடைய டிரான்ஸ்போஸை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். இப்படி 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 இருந்ததை இப்படி 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 பண்ணிடணும். இதை பண்ணிட்ட பிறகுதான் you can find an inverse. Okay, let us first see what is adjoint.
Okay.
Okay, find adjoint for A. 2, 4, 1, 3. A is 2, 3, 1, 4 வச்சுக்குவேன். adjoint வந்து எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறான்னா 4 minus 3 minus 1 2ன்றான். இது எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சான்? இதை நம்ம வந்து மைனர் கோஃபேக்டர் எல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிச்ச பிறகுதான் நம்ம வந்து இதை கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும்.
இது ஒழுங்கா புரியல uncle, can you explain?
I am going to explain now. இது வந்து ஒரு ஸ்டெப்ஸே ஏதாம சும்மா நடிக்கும் போட்டாரு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணோம், A of 1 1 உடைய மைனர் என்ன, இதோடைய மைனர் என்னடா, இதோடைய மைனர் 4. அதனுடைய கோஃபேக்டர் என்ன, -1 the whole squared into 4 is also 4. -1 squared into 4. No, -1 squared becomes +1. +1 into 4 is 4. Okay, then A12 உடைய மைனர் என்ன, இதனுடைய மைனர் என்ன 3. இது என்னது 3 உடைய மைனர் என்ன 1. this is the minor. Okay, cofactor என்ன, A12 -1 into 3 into 1 that is equal to -1. சரியா? So cofactor 4 -1. A21 என்ன, அழிச்சிடுறேன் உங்களுக்கு புரியாது.
A21 cofactor minor is 3. Minor 3. I mean, yeah, minor 3.
எதுடைய மைனர்
21 which is 1.
1 உடைய மைனர் வந்து
3.
Okay, cofactor
1 2 1 3
-3 cofactor. Very good, correct. -3. A22 அது
A22 4 2.
A222 cofactor
2 2
-1 into 4 of 2 அதுவும் 2. சரியா? cofactor matrix வந்து 4 -1 -3 2. இது என்ன மேட்ரிக்ஸ், cofactor matrix.
ஓகே,
இதனுடைய cofactor உடைய டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் எடுத்தீனா 4 -1 -3 2. இதா இது வந்து இங்க போய்டும். இப்போ புரியுதா? 4 -3 -1 2 அததான் போட்டுக்கணும். 2 ஸ்டெப் நடுவுல ஒமிட் பண்ணிட்டு எழுதிறாங்க. So all the time in order to find the adjoint, first you must find the minor, then for each one you must find the cofactor, then you must fill up the cofactor matrix. After you fill up the cofactor matrix, take the transpose of the cofactor matrix, that is the adjoint matrix. Okay, adjoint matrix is what? It is the transpose of the cofactor matrix.
Okay,
or I'll put it at C. Cofactor matrix உடைய transpose தான் adjoint matrix.
Okay, புரியுது.
So first A, then minors of A, then cofactors of A, then the full cofactor matrix of A, then the cofactor உடைய transpose, that is equal to adjoint of A.
Okay.
இப்போ இது புரிஞ்சிச்சு. அவன் சிம்பிள் ஸ்டெப் மாதிரி கொடுக்குறான். இந்த மாதிரிலாம் கொடுக்கூடாது. எப்படி புரிஞ்சுக்குவாங்க? How will the students understand if you give like this?
அதானே
This your textbook is not nice, man. 11th standard textbook, it's not nice. Up to 10th standard Samachir textbook is very nice. Seri, adjoint of A உடைய determinant. அதனுடைய determinant அது எப்படின்னா it is A determinant to the power of n minus 1. N is the order of the matrix. So n is 3 by 3 matrix na n வந்து 3 ன்னு வச்சுக்குவோம். அப்போ A to the power of 2 அப்படி வந்துரும் adjoint. ஆமா, இதெல்லாம் எங்க அப்ளை பண்றாங்கன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல இந்த ரூல்ஸ். அப்படி சப்போஸ் எங்கேயாவது வந்துச்சுன்னா I will let you know. Adjoint of A உடைய determinant is equal to A determinant to the power of n minus 1. Suppose the matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix. X, Y, Z, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, this is A. What is trying to say is the adjoint of A. Okay, that determinant of that adjoint of A. இப்போ இதனுடைய determinant என்ன? 4 into 2 minus 3 into 1. 4 into 2, 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. So adjoint of A na inga 5. So 5 will be what? It is saying that A determinant உடைய ஸ்கொயரா இருக்கும் அப்படின்றோம். Determinant of A square. இது ஒரு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. இது எங்க யூஸ் பண்றாங்கன்னு தெரியல, எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு இதுல யூஸ் பண்ணல. So you don't have to bother about that. K of A, இது important. K to the n, power of n into A. That is another thing. Okay. So when you multiply the determinant, suppose the determinant is, let us say 36 is the determinant. Okay. In that case, 6 to the power of n A is the order of the matrix A and run. Okay. This also you forget. All these things you forget. A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A. That is very important. This is very important. இது வந்து commutative law form follow பண்ணுது. A adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A. Okay. Which is equal to determinant of A into identity matrix. அது வேற சொல்றோம். Then adjoint into identity is equal to identity matrix. Unit matrix 1 1 1.
Okay.
In the matrix தான் வரும்ன்றோம். Adjoint multiply adjoint by 1 I matrix. Okay, for example 4 minus 3 minus 1 2 into 1 1 0 0. இத பண்ணினா என்ன ஆகும்ன்றான்? இதுல பார்ப்போம். Let's do and see. Two, three. Yeah, அது இல்ல, சாரி, அது வந்து A மேட்ரிக்ஸ். நம்ம அட்ஜாயிண்ட் பண்ணணும். அட்ஜாயிண்ட் வந்து 4 minus 3 minus 1 2. இப்போ என்ன பண்றோம்? இத ஐடென்டிட்டி மேட்ரிக்ஸ்னால மல்டிப்ளை பண்றோம். 4 into 1 plus 3 into minus 0. அப்புறம் 4 into 0 minus 3 into 1. Sorry, plus, yeah. Plus 4 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 3 into 0. Okay. 4 into 0. Next is 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 0. After the 2 into 0 plus 2 into 1. இது வந்து 4 plus 3. இது வந்து 0 minus 3. இது வந்து minus 1 plus 2. இது வந்து 2. Yeah. 7 minus 3, 1, 2. இது வருது இது. So what he's trying to tell, adjoint A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint of I. Oh, adjoint of I. Yeah. I'm sorry, this is not what I was trying to say. Okay, adjoint of I. இதோடைய adjoint வந்து 1 உடைய minor வந்து 1. Cofactor வந்து A of 1, 1. Minus 1 squared into 1 is equal to 1. அதே மாதிரி 1, 2 equal to 0. Minor is equal to also 0. Cofactor equal to 0. A of 2, 1 is equal to 0. Minor is equal to 0. Then cofactor also equal to 0. Then A of 2, 2 is equal to 1. Minor is equal to A of 2, 2 minor is equal to 1. Cofactor is equal to minus 1 to the power of 4 into 1 is equal to 1. So what matrix you get? 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, this is the cofactor matrix. Now make the transpose of the cofactor matrix. Okay, 1, 0 இங்க எடுத்துனுவான், 0, 1 அங்க எடுத்துனுவோம். எப்படி எடுத்துன்னு வந்தாலும் திருப்பியும் ஐடென்டிட்டி மேட்ரிக்ஸ் தான் வரும், ரைட்டா? So that is what he's telling. The adjoint of identity matrix is equal to identity. Okay, that's what he's saying. Adjoint of AB is equal to adjoint of B into adjoint of A. This one is given. Now you can use.
Where, uncle?
See, this one is given. This is very useful for you. This you can use.
Okay.
Also, he is now telling determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. That is why you got the answer minus 30 correct. Okay. Minus 30 என்றது கரெக்டா ஏன் வந்துச்சு? Sum number 4. ஏன்னா determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B.
So what I did was correct only, uncle. The method that I followed.
What you did was correct, but at that time you didn't have this knowledge, so you shouldn't have applied it. You assumed something wrong. Now you have a right assumption. Now onwards you can do the sum rightly.
Okay, okay.
So fine. Adjoint of AB is also adjoint of A into adjoint of B. That is also possible. Okay. So very important.
No, uncle, in the lower classes, they thought this adjoint of AB into A into B.
Where, which lower class they thought?
10th நான் நினைக்கிறேன்.
10th you did CBSE, yeah?
இல்ல, not adjoint, uncle. It was some other.
Adjoint is never taught in your 10th standard.
Yeah, uncle, it is not adjoint. ஆனா வேற மாதிரி ஒரு question இருக்கும். AB equal to A into B.
Determinants and adjoints never come in 10th standard. Okay, now only you are first time learning, so you learn this. So yeah, adjoint of AB is equal to adjoint of A into adjoint of B. Same way, determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. So your job is made easier. Let us do example 1.3 now, and 1.4 also we will try to do now. There are so many examples. When we will get to the exercise 1.2, okay, I don't think today we can get to exercise 1.2.
Yeah, so we can't.
It will not possible. Already 40 minutes gone. Time is flying. Right, I'll put this in your WhatsApp. So you have to find adjoint now. Okay. Now let us go through here itself. No big deal. So find adjoint of 1 minus 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, minus 4, 1, 0. Okay. So a of I comma j adjoint is minus 1 into I equals j of m of I comma j. M of I comma j is 1, 0, 1, 0. So 1 into 0 into 0 into 0 is equal to 0. So minus 1 into 0 something also equal to 0. So this is correct. Then a12 is minus 1 into power of 1 plus 2. Okay, that is cubed. M of 1, 2 is equal to this one and this one you take away. 0, 0, minus 4, 0. That's correct. Okay, this is correct. 0 into 0, 0, minus 4 into 0. Again, this also 0. Correct. Then a of 1, 3, this one. இதனுடைய determinant என்ன 0 1 minus 4 1 determinant correct. இப்போ 1 plus 3
uncle, how is it 1 uncle? 0 தானே இருக்கு.
இது
oh sorry தப்பா
a of 1 comma 3 இதனுடைய minor இதனுடைய minor வந்து இது
புரியுது
0 1 minus 4 1 கரெக்ட்டா போட்டுக்கலாம். அப்போ 1 plus 3 minus 1 into 1 plus 3 is 1 because it's becoming minus 1 to the power of 4. கரெக்ட்டா 1 ஆயிடும். அப்போ 0 into 1 minus 4. So 0 minus 4 is plus 4. Okay, இதுவும் கரெக்ட். அதே மாதிரி ஒண்ணா போட்டுன்னு வரணும். A21 வந்து minus 1 into 2 plus 1 M21 இங்க போடுறோம். minus 2 into 0 plus 3. So plus 3 to the power of minus 1. Plus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 வந்துருச்சு கரெக்டா இது. அப்புறம் இது minus 1 to the power of 4 வந்து plus 1 ஆயிடும். M22 வந்து 0 minus 12. So minus 12. 0 minus 12. இது வந்து minus 12 into 1 is equal to minus 12. Correct இதுவும். இது வந்து 2 plus 3. So 5 minus 1 to the power of 5 வந்துரும் இங்க. Minus 1 to the power of 5 is minus 1. So M வந்து 1 minus 8. 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7. So minus 1 into minus 7.
Didn't sound know that. Okay, okay.
Minus 1 into minus 7 ஆயிடுச்சு.
Okay.
இப்போ 3 plus 1 இங்க 3 plus 1 ஆயிடுச்சு. அப்போ minus 1 to the power of 4.
Okay, good question.
Plus 1.
For A23, was it minus outside the bracket?
Minus A plus A2 comma 3.
Was it
A2 comma 3 0 இல்ல 0க்கு இது இந்த மாதிரி எடுக்கணும். A2 comma 3 ல 1 minus 2 minus 4 1 இதான் மேட்ரிக்ஸ் கரெக்ட்டா 1 minus 2 minus 4 1 minus 2 minus 4 1 கரெக்ட்டா வந்துச்சா? அங்க வெளிய மைனஸ்லாம் கிடையாது.
ஓகே.
வெளிய மைனஸ். அந்த மைனஸ் எதுக்குன்னா இந்த மைனஸ் அது -1 into power of 5 is equal to -1. அந்த -1 இங்க போட்டுருக்கான். புரியுதா?
Okay.
There's no -1 for the determinant. You cannot take a minor with minus plus sign. Minor means
okay.
minor. That's all.
புரியுது.
Plus minus.
Okay.
The -1 to the power of 5 அங்க சேர்த்துட்டான். அப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட் A31 அதுவும் வந்து -0 -2 into 0 0 -3 into இது +3 ஆயிடுது +3. இது வந்து to the power of 4 அதனால 1 + 3 to the power of 4. ஸோ இது +3 ஆவே இருக்கும். ஓகே, அது மாதிரி ஒண்ணா கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். புரியுதா? வெரி சிம்பிள் இது.
ஓகே.
ஸோ எல்லாத்தையும் கண்டுபிடிச்சி ஒன்னும் அந்த அட்ஜாயிண்ட்ல இது 0 இது 1 இது 0 இது 3 அந்த மாதிரி இது 1
ஓகே.
அட்ஜாயிண்ட்
ட்ரான்ஸ்வர்ஸ்
1 0 3 அப்படின்னா இங்க 1 இந்த 0 இந்த 3 அதுக்கு முன்னாடி 7 இங்க 7 அதுக்கு முன்னாடி 12 அந்த மாதிரி ஃபுல்லா போட்டா அட்ஜாயிண்ட் மேட்ரிக்ஸ் வந்துச்சு. அவ்வளவுதான். ஆமா, அதனுடைய டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 004 வந்து இப்படி போறதுக்கு பதிலா 004 இப்படி வந்துடும். அவ்வளவுதான். Once you get that, this is the adjoint of the matrix. Okay. Now from this step to the inverse is only one step. Okay. Adjoint should be multiplied by 1 by determinant of A. Okay. Into adjoint of A. So adjoint of A into 1 by determinant of A is equal to A inverse. அவ்வளவுதான். A inverse கரெக்டா எழுதிலியோ. into A inverse னா இப்படி எழுதணும். A -1 னா மேல -1 போடுறோம், கீழே கிடையாது. -1A வேற, which is -1 into A inverseன்றது வேற. ரைட்டா? இப்போ x உடைய இன்வெர்ஸ்னா 1/x ன்னு அர்த்தம். அந்த மாதிரி இது அர்த்தம். A மேட்ரிக்ஸ் உடைய இன்வெர்ஸ்னா 1/A மேட்ரிக்ஸ்னு அர்த்தம். It's very different from saying that -1A. அது வேற இது வேற. ஓகே. Okay, let us move and see some things. Inverse of a matrix. அதான் நம்ம சொல்றான். அதுக்கு ஏதோ ப்ரூஃப் கொடுக்குறான். நமக்கு அந்த ப்ரூஃப்லாம் தேவையில்லை. நமக்கு வேண்டியது ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் தான் இங்க. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjacent of A. தான் நமக்கு தேவை. How we arrive at that, they won't ask. Okay. If you want to see that, A into adjacent of A is equal to adjacent of A into A என்றது previous இதுல காமிச்சான். கரெக்டா? இங்க காமிச்சான் இந்த ரூல்ல. ரூல் நம்பர் 4 here. A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A ன்னு காமிச்சான். அதான் இங்க யூஸ் பண்றோம். So இங்க என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னா A into adjoint of A into 1 it is equal to A determinant of A into identity matrix ன்றாங்க. அப்புறம் என்ன பண்றான்? A into 1 by இதை தூக்கி இங்க எடுத்துன்னு வரோம். So என்ன பண்றான்? A into 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A is equal to adj A into A. அப்படி ஆயிடுது. அதுதான் இந்த ஸ்டெப் ஆகுது. That is equal to 1 by adjoint of A into A. Okay. Something is doing. I don't think this proof is useless here. Forget this proof. Some useless proof they are giving. AB equal to BA equal to I where B is equal to 1 by A determinant into adjoint of A. அது நமக்கு புரியல, நமக்கு அது வேணாம், நம்ம ஒரு இந்த ஃபார்முலா மாத்திரம் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோம். Okay, we'll just use this formula. This is what we want. No, it's a very horrible textbook. It doesn't give.
Yeah,
it's not nice. Okay, we will do one inverse sum. If B is the inverse of A, then A is the inverse of B. Okay, that is important. B equal to A inverse na A equal to B inverse. அது ரொம்ப கரெக்ட். அப்புறம் A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to identity matrix. So any matrix multiplied by its inverse will give identity matrix. Okay, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 அங்க வந்து நின்றோம். இன்னொன்னு, inverse of a matrix if it exists, how you know inverse of a matrix exists? Provided the what happens? It is not a singular matrix, correct? If it is not a singular matrix, then the inverse of the matrix exists.
okay.
The inverse of a matrix is unique. Order of inverse of A will be the same as that of A. A உடைய ஆர்டர் வந்து 3/3 னா இன்வர்ஸ் உடைய ஆர்டரும் 3/3 ஆ இருக்கும், 3/4 அந்த மாதிரிலாம் இருக்காது. ஐடென்டிட்டி உடைய இன்வர்ஸ் சேம் ஆஸ் இன்வர்ஸ். ஓகே, சேம் ஆஸ் ஐடென்டிட்டி மேட்ரிக்ஸ். அதாவது நம்ம போய் தலையை உடச்சுன்னு இருக்க தேவையில்லை. ஃபைண்ட் த இன்வர்ஸ் ஆஃப் A equal to என்னன்னா, நேரா போய் என்ன பண்ணிடணும், இதுதான்டா இன்வர்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்லிடணும். ஓகே, if A is an identity matrix, A inverse is also identity matrix only. Okay, that is what this thing. Then AB உடைய inverse collective, இதுவும் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். This is what you are trying to use. Okay, அப்புறம் determinant of A inverse, you find the determinant of A inverse, it is equal to 1 by determinant of A. அதுவும் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். அது இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம். அப்புறம் commutative law, A into B inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Okay, it is not equal to A inverse into B inverse. நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ, எது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வருது? B. AB the total inverse ல வந்து B inverse first comes and then A inverse comes. மாத்தி எழுதிட கூடாது. AB the total whole inverse is equal to A inverse into B inverse னு போட்டு கால்குலேட் பண்ணினா எல்லாம் காலி. So AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Okay, that's very important. இன்னொன்னு, let A be a non-singular matrix. அப்படின்னா inverse இருக்குது. Then A squared is equal to identity matrix. Because A is equal to A inverse. இது என்னன்னே நமக்கு விளங்கல. எப்படி A squared will be identity matrix? A into A inverse will be identity matrix, but A into A will not be identity. Okay, so this thing I don't know. I think it is wrong. Don't believe that. Oh, what he's trying to say is, if A squared is equal to identity matrix, then A is equal to A inverse. Okay, forget about it. These things are very wrongly given, very vague things they are giving. Do you know, and all of that. Okay, finally we have 5 minutes. Let's do an inverse. Okay, let us do inverse. ஒரு 2 சமம் பண்ணிட்டு இது போகும். இது ஸ்விட்ச் ஆன் பண்ண லிடியா. Switch on. Okay, we will go to the screen and start doing this. Example 1.14. Two, 4, minus 3, 2. This is equal to A. It's equal to A. Find A inverse. Okay. Now you tell me the steps. I'll start finishing. First one the A of 1, 1. இது 2. Minor எவ்வளோப்பா? எதுப்பா minor?
Minor 2.
2. Cofactor?
Cofactor 1, 1. Okay, 2.
2. Very good. A of 1, 2 வந்து 4. இதனுடைய minor என்ன?
-3.
-3. Cofactor வந்து -1 to the power of 3 into -3. எவ்வளோ?
+3.
Very good. A of 2, 1 -3. இதனுடைய minor என்ன?
Uncle, quick question. So -3 இருக்குல்ல, 1 power -3. ஒன்றும் இல்லை
-1 into the power of 3 is -1 into -3 is equal to 3.
கரெக்ட் தான் my bad. Okay, next one வந்து
3
-3 4.
cofactor வந்து
cofactor 4.
எவ்வளோ?
4.
-4.
-4. ஆமா.
இது 2. இதனுடைய minor என்ன?
minor வந்து 2.
2. Very good. cofactor வந்து -1 to the power of 4 into 2. எவ்வளோ?
2.
Very good. Okay. இப்போ வந்து cofactor matrix கட்சிச்சு. cofactor matrix கட்சிச்சு. 2, 3, -4, 2. So இதோடைய transpose என்ன?
Transpose 2 -4 and then 3 2.
Very good. இதான் cofactor matrix இது இல்லையா? ஒரே transpose. இது கட்சிச்சு. இப்போ இதான் adjoint.
Okay.
இல்லையா? adjoint நமக்கு கட்சிச்சு. Now இதுல இருந்து inverse என்ன கிடைக்கணும்னா equal to 1 by delta A of this adjoint matrix. நம்ம ஒரு ஸ்டெப் விட்டுட்டோம்ப்பா. இது வந்து முதல்ல டிட்டர்மினன்ட் கண்டுபிடிக்க மறந்துட்டோம் பத்தியா? நானே மறந்துட்டேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் என்ன பண்ணோம்? அதுக்கு இன்வெர்ஸ் இருக்குதான்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். 2 into 2
புரியல. இப்போ என்ன பண்றோம்?
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இதோட டிட்டர்மினன்ட் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். டிட்டர்மினன்ட் வந்து நாட் ஈக்குவல் டு 0னா தான் அதுக்கு இன்வெர்ஸே இருக்குது.
ஆமா,
அத மறந்துட்டோம் பாரு. வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஸ்டெப். இதெல்லாம் போட்டு டைம் வேஸ்ட் பண்ணிட கூடாது.
4.
So wrong thing I did. You also don't do the wrong. 2 into 2 minus 3 into 4. அதனா 4 plus 12.
-12. Okay.
16. So it is not 16. Equal to 0. So A inverse exists. Okay. Now let us find. A inverse எவ்வளோ? 16. That means 1 by 16th of 2 minus 4, 3, 2. இதான் ஆன்சர். ரைட்டா? மூஞ்சி வச்சுக்காத. கரெக்டா சொல்லிக்கிறானா? ஆன்சர் கரெக்டா வந்துருக்கான்னு பார்த்துக்கலாம். கரெக்டா வந்துருக்கு. இதோ கரெக்டா வந்துருக்கு.
ஓகே.
ஓகே, இன்னொரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் 1.15 பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, நான் காப்பி பண்ணி ஒன்று போட்டுருவேன். இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவோம், எக்ஸாம்பிள் 1.15 a is equal to -2 6 3a -9. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இப்போ என்ன பண்ணாங்க, பண்ண மறந்தது இங்க பண்ணினோம். a delta -2 into -9
18 plus 18
plus 18. 3 into 6
plus 18
minus
minus 18
18 minus 18 equal to 0. So delta a equal to 0 na, it is not simple matter. It is not singular.
Okay.
So a inverse doesn't exist. முந்தி போச்சு கதை. இல்லாட்டி தேவையெல்லாம் பண்ணின்னு கிடக்கூடாது. இது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். இதை நான் உனக்கு போடல, you know this. So let us rub it off.
Uncle, it should be singular matrix, no?
Yeah, it is a singular matrix.
Okay, நீங்க not singular.
Oh, sorry. It is singular matrix. It is a singular matrix.
போன கூட singular non singular போட்டீங்க.
If this delta is equal to 0, it is singular matrix.
Yeah, last time you did you put that as singular matrix, but last time it's non-singular matrix.
Non-singular matrix only inverse exists. Means determinant equal to 0 means no inverse exists. Determinant not equal to 0 means it inverse A inverse exists. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. அது முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. எக்ஸாம்பிள் 1.16 பண்றதுக்கு நமக்கு டைம் முடிஞ்சு போச்சு ஏற்கனவே. You do homework. Example 1.16, 1.7, 8, 9 எத்தனையோ இருக்குது. Without seeing, why don't you try some examples? 1.16 and 1.16 is straightforward. Okay, so do 1.16, then try 1.17.
Okay. So
if you have any doubts on 1.17, you get back to me.
Okay. So homework is exercise 1.1, 6 and 7. And example 1.6 and
1.16 straightforward example. 1.17 you try. If you have doubts, we'll clarify in class. Okay. We'll go with 1.18, 19 and exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2 is big exercise. You have to do a lot of work. Okay, so Tuesday we are meeting again 4:30. Okay. Right. You become very thorough in matrices. You are very good. You are doing well. Very fast also. No problems. You only have to cover the portions. That's the only thing. Okay. Example 1.13. 1.3 exercise 1.3 is not there in the thing. But in your school, did they do exercise 1.3 or they skipped it?
1.3.
I'm not able to hear you.
1 minute, uncle. I'm checking.
Did they skip?
I don't have my no uncle. They did 1.3. They did 1.3.
You did 1.3, huh?
Amma, pantom.
That means you are doing full syllabus. Okay. Let us skip that because I'm very sure the syllabus has skipped it. Okay.
But uncle, if we can't do 1.3 now, how will we start 1.4?
No, it's got nothing to do with that. This is equations on simultaneous equations. If you want, we can do. Only thing is, you already done that at school. No, I want to save time. I want to get into the last chapter. Last few chapters I want to get into, so that that they will cover in a hurry in your school. I want to cover that very clearly, so that overall you are covered everything correctly.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. That is a good thing.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Yeah.